Hi, in front of me is TECLAST P20HD, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this tablet. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then go into System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Currently Used Keyboard, in my case Keyboard 1. Now tap on Theme and choose Show More over here to see all available themes. When you're done, you can click at the color, tap on the switcher next to key borders to enable or disable them, and tap Apply. You can do the same with one of your images. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!